Hi class, today we will do part 2 of multiplication of matrices, with example 19 and 20. Okay, let's see. Okay, we look at example 19. We are given two matrices, this one and when times this one, or multiply with this matrix, you'll get this answer. So you're asked to calculate the value of x and y. Yeah. So first you write back 6x negative 5. We have two elements here, times with 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, you'll get this matrix. But we do the multiplication first. We do this one first. Okay, what normally teacher will do is teacher will make these two lines first, and then I write this matrix back. 6x negative 5. Okay, and then we make another line here. Yeah. Okay, so you know that this row of matrix you have to multiply with this one. Yeah, so we start, and after that this one will multiply again with this column. Okay, we start with the first row first. Okay, 6x times this one times 2, right? And then we have to plus negative 5 times with 2. Okay, negative 5 times with 1. Yeah, times with 1. Okay, and then this row again. Yeah, you will times with 3. Yeah, 6x you times with 3, and then you plus negative 5 will times 4. Negative 5 will times 4. So what you'll get is this one is 12x plus negative 5, that means minus 5. Yeah, and then this one you'll get 18x plus negative 20, that means minus 20. Okay, so this is your answer. This is your answer. This is your matrix, and you know that this matrix is equal to this matrix to 12. I write it again. (12x minus 5). Oh, wait. 18x minus 20 equal to this one, right? This matrix 7 and 1 minus y. Okay, it's equal. So we'll write it back in the next slide. Okay, now you know that 12x minus 5 equals to 7. Yeah, equals to 7. Then you just solve the equation, this linear equation. 7 plus 5, x equal, this one is 12. Okay, let's write it properly. 12, so x is 12 over 12, x is 1. So you got that one, answer, x is 1. Okay, next one, you know that 18 x minus 20 equal to 1 minus y. So you have two variables here with one equation, so you cannot solve it now. You have to substitute your x, your x that you have got just now into here. So 18, your x is 1 minus 20 equal 1 minus y. Okay, so 18 minus 20 equal 1 minus y. Okay, negative 2 equal 1 minus y. So y will be, when you bring y to the left hand side, this negative sign, it become positive, here become positive. So this one will, when you bring it to the right, it become plus 2. So your y is 3. The answer is 3. So you have answered your x and your y. Okay, example 20. This question, you asked to solve it, but you don't see any matrix here. It's only table. So you have to use matrix to solve this. So we read this one first. The table shows share units purchased by Khairil and Mahmoud. So they have share A and share B in units. This is the units for Khairil, 5,400. Mahmoud 2,000 for share A, and share B is 6,000. So it is given that the prices of 1 unit of share A and 1 unit of share B during the purchase are 1 ringgit 50 cents. 1 ringgit 50 cents. That means this one, for share A it is 150. 150. And then for share B it is 0.82 cents or 82 cents. 82 cents. So this is 0.82. Okay, and then you are asked to calculate the total investment of Khairil, and the total investment of Mahmoud. So what you do, actually you have to times with the prices of 1 unit. How much 1 unit, you times with the units that they have purchased. But we have to do it in matrix form. So first, as you can see here, this one already you can put in matrix, in the form of matrix, the table over there. Okay, we change it, we transfer it into matrix. 5,000, 4,000, 2,000, 6,000. Okay, then you have to times with a matrix, this one. You have to times with this figure. So there are two forms. One, it is like this, 150 and 82 cents. The other one is this one, 150 and 82. You arrange like this. So we want to choose which one you want to multiply with the share. Okay, before that we have to check what? Yes, the order. We have to check the order first, because matrix can only be multiplied, two matrices, when the column of the first matrix is the same with the row of the second matrix. So the order for this one is 2 by 2. Okay, so that in order for it to be multiplied, the matrix here must be also 2 by, do you see that? Here, the column here and the row of the second matrix is the same. So we check this, our choice. This one, the order is The order is 1 by 2. This one is 2 by 1. So which one you want to choose? Of course, this one, right? 2 by 2, because this one already 2 here. 2 by 1. Okay, so we choose this one. Okay, 150 and 82 cents. Yeah, and then you will know what is the product. You will get the order of the product is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 should be like this. Okay, this is your answer, final answer. So we will multiply it, yeah? We'll multiply. You should not have any problem to multiply the matrix. Yeah, so first we'll make this table like this. Then I write back this one. Write back this matrix. 5,000, 4,000, 2,000, 6,000. Yeah, and then we make one line here, and one line here, one line here. Okay, and then you start to multiply. Yeah, this one. Yeah, you start with the first row. 5,000 you times with 1 ringgit and 50 cents, you'll get 7,500, and then you have to plus, yeah, plus with this one times 82 cents, you'll get 3280. Yeah, and then for the next one, second row, 2,000 you times with 150, you'll get 3,000, and then you have to plus with 6,000 times with 82, you'll get 4,920. And what you'll get answer 10780 and 7920. So this is the matrix, same like this one, right? So what does it mean by this figure? What does it mean by this figure? Who is this? Whose investment, total investment is this one? Okay, you look at here, the matrix here. This one is for Khairil, right? Khairil. So this is of course Khairil. And the second one is Mahmud. So this is the total investment that they have, that you have calculated. So you can write it like this. The total investment of Khairil and Mahmud are this figure that you got just now. Okay, so remember, before you multiply a matrix, you must check the order first, yeah, whether you can multiply it or not. If you happen to see this type of question, that the matrix is not given to you, you have to by yourself to find the right form of matrix, the right order of matrix. Okay, we are done with multiplication of two matrices. So if it helps, you can click the like button and also subscribe so that you can be updated for the latest video. Okay, so bye bye.